Today I'm going to replace a broken door handle on a 2010 Chevy Suburban LTZ. It was cold one morning and I went to open the door and I snapped it right off, so I went on Amazon, spent $20 and got a replacement. So I'm gonna take off the driver's side door panel, roll up the window, and hopefully I have easy access to it. First, you're going to want to pop off the triangle plastic piece that goes over the screws to the side mirror. Next, under the open handle, there's a little square piece of plastic. You're going to pop that off. Next, you're going to grab a 7/16 socket, and if you have a drill, that's the easiest way to do it. But you're just going to undo the two bolts that are underneath the door handle. Next, you pop off another piece of plastic under the rubber door handle that you use to slam the door when you're on the inside of the vehicle. Pop that piece of plastic off, and then there's another 7/16 bolt underneath that, which you take off. After that, you work the door panel off from the top, and you kind of just work your way around, and eventually it pops out. And then I just kind of set it aside for a few minutes until I could figure out how to access where the door handle screws are. It is 2 screws, and it's a pain in the butt to get to. I grabbed a 7/16 ratchet and a 10mm ratchet, and also pliers to help me unscrew the posts, the 2 posts that were still in the door that broke off from the door handle. Now I'm gonna take out the old lock and put it in the new one. Anytime I'm doing something new like this, I try to pay really close attention to how it's put together before I take it apart. That is the key. So I'm gonna pop off this pin, take out the lock, slide it into the new one. And the new one already has a pin on it, so I don't need to reuse that pin. So I'm gonna try to put it back in.
I got it, Dad.
Something like
There, Mom said this is good.
Something like this seems to be the winner, so we'll try that. So this is the final thing that worked. It's very hard to get your arms down in there. That's what took most of the time. So once the handle is reattached, you pop back on the door frame the same way that you took it off. Kaden, you're making me cold.
On the ball, you would suck it or not like that. Now try to throw it to me. Try to throw it to me.
So next you put the 3 7/16 bolts back on, Then you snap the 3 plastic pieces back in place.
That's not the alley hand. You only do it with one hand. Oh, you have to slice on that one.
Moment of truth.
Ooh, you got it. I don't.
Oh yeah, it's locked. Let's see if the auto lock button works. Moment of truth.
No. Your hands have to go in the grid.
Oh,
On the grid.
I got lucky with that one. Holy shit.
Yeah, like that. It's literally that.
Well, there we go. That was a pain in the ass, but it's done. Thanks for watching. Ryder's over here cleaning his trumpet, getting it ready for his concert on January 30th. And Raiden and Peyton are playing catch, even though it's like 28 degrees. This guy's wearing a t-shirt. He's making me cold.